Thinking about buying a car? Whether it's your first ride or your 10th, car shopping can be a mix of excitement, confusion, and financial stress. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Buying a car isn't just about picking the shiniest one on the lot or the fastest one within your budget. There are key things you need to know before making that decision. Some will save you money, others will save you from years of regret. So buckle up, because here are the essential things you must know before buying a car. Segment 1. New versus used. Which one is right for you? First things first. Are you buying new or used? This is one of the biggest decisions you'll make in the car buying process. New cars have that fresh, never-before-driven appeal. They come with a full warranty, the latest technology, and zero prior issues. But they are also significantly more expensive and lose a large chunk of their value the moment you drive them off the lot. Used cars, on the other hand, are much cheaper and have already gone through the steepest part of depreciation. They may not have the newest features, but if you do your research and find one in good condition, you can get a great deal. If you are looking for value, a well-maintained, 2 to 3-year-old used car is often the smartest choice. Segment 2. Budgeting like a pro. Now that you know whether you want a new or used car, it's time to talk money. This step is where most people make mistakes, and it can cost them dearly down the road. One of the biggest traps is stretching your budget too thin. Just because a bank or dealership approves you for a large loan doesn't mean you should take it. A good rule of thumb is that your car payment should be no more than 15% of your monthly income. That way, you have room for insurance, gas, and unexpected maintenance costs. It's also important to consider hidden costs. Sales tax, registration fees, and insurance premiums can add thousands to the total cost. Before committing to a purchase, factor in these extra expenses so you don't get blindsided later. Segment 3. Research is your best friend. A car is a huge investment, so don't rush into it blindly. The more research you do, the better decision you'll make. Start by looking up reliability ratings. Some cars are known for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues, while others seem to spend more time in the repair shop than on the road. Look up common problems associated with the model you're considering. Fuel efficiency is another factor to consider. A car that seems like a good deal might end up costing you thousands more in fuel over the years. Check real owner reviews to see what people are saying about their experience. If a certain model has consistent complaints, take that as a red flag. Segment 4. Test driving like a detective. Test driving a car is not just about seeing how fast it can go. It's your opportunity to spot any potential issues before you sign anything. Pay attention to how the car handles. If the steering feels loose or the brakes don't respond quickly, that's a bad sign. Listen for any strange noises, especially when turning or accelerating. A clicking, knocking, or grinding sound can indicate hidden mechanical problems. Test the acceleration and braking under different conditions. If the car feels sluggish or unresponsive, you might end up regretting your purchase. Take your time and don't feel pressured to rush through this step. Segment 5. Car dealerships and their sneaky tricks. Car dealerships are businesses, and their goal is to make as much money as possible. That means they use various tricks to get you to spend more. One of the most common tactics is to focus on the monthly payment instead of the total cost. This makes the deal seem more affordable than it actually is. Always negotiate based on the total price, not the monthly payment. Another trick is adding unnecessary extras. Dealers will try to sell you extended warranties, fabric protection, and high-priced maintenance plans. Some of these might be useful, but most are overpriced and unnecessary. Be firm and only agree to what you actually need. Segment 6. The hidden costs. No one talks about. Owning a car comes with ongoing expenses that go beyond the purchase price. If you don't plan for them, you could end up with a car you can't afford to maintain. Insurance costs vary widely depending on the car you buy. High-performance vehicles and luxury cars tend to have much higher insurance premiums. Before committing to a purchase, get an insurance quote to make sure it fits your budget. Repairs and maintenance are also a big factor. Some brands have notoriously expensive replacement parts, while others are relatively cheap to maintain. Research common repair costs for your chosen model so you know what to expect. Final segment. Should you buy or walk away? At the end of the day, buying a car is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll make. If something feels off, don't be afraid to walk away. There will always be another deal. To recap, the key things to remember are: set a realistic budget and stick to it. Research the car's reliability and fuel efficiency. Take a thorough test drive and look for red flags. Watch out for dealership tricks and hidden fees. Plan for long-term costs like insurance and maintenance. If you follow these steps, you'll be in a much better position to find a great car at a fair price. And now, I want to hear from you. What's the worst car buying mistake you've ever made? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car buying tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.